greeting from Jongsam. Today we would like to introduce how to use this machine. It's a small portable stamping machine, especially for letters, paper, and some thick PVC cards. It's controlled by rotating these buttons. Temperature is from 0 to 300 degrees max. Unlike this digital one, that one is digital control, and this one is just turn this button to control the temperature. When the temperature is hitting this line, it's red color. When it reaches, it turns to be green color. If your products are very high, then you can adjust the heads by this screw to loosen these two screws and adjust the heads of these stamping panels. See? This one, this distance, just controlled by this. This one, the 5x7 smallest one, is without the screw hole at the center of the stamping panels. These two sides, both of them have the screw hole here. Now let me show you how it works for leather without colorful paper. If your material is very thick, then you just put something soft like a rubber pad under it to get a good result. Press down for 3 seconds. It's like that. And paper for colorful. You can select any colors you like. Press down 1 second. It's like this. For the leather. If you got a result that you don't think it's good, then you can try to adjust different temperature. Like this one is too hot. This is with 100 degrees. That's all. Thank you for watching.